Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to fashion, beauty and lifestyle. And in today's video, we are doing this makeup look. It is a quick 5-minute makeup tutorial that you can do under 5 minutes. And I promise it's one of the easiest makeup look you must have seen. And I have done all the steps. Foundation, primer, concealer, blush, bronzer, contour, eyeshadow, eyebrows. I didn't left anything. So if you guys want to see how we can achieve a mind-blowing beautiful makeup look in just 5 minutes, so let's begin the video. Guys, will begin, and my first tip is take all the things out, like whatever you want to use, be it foundation, concealer, eye makeup, bronzer, anything you want to use on your face. Take all the things out, because like if you will go inside your makeup pouch and try to find stuff, that will take time. Have all the things that I want to use: my foundation, concealer, primer and like my face powder. So like I have also done a first impressions video. I don't know like मैं इस वीडियो से पहले डालूंगी या इस वीडियो के बाद अपलोड होगी, but I have used some amazing stuff in that video and I was very surprised कि कुछ चीजें इतनी like amazing निकली है ना कि बस क्या बताऊँ मैं. And this is one of the products, Swiss Beauty का. So it's not a sponsored video by any brand. So let's begin. And my second tip would be, if you are like planning to use products and if you see like any product, you can mix and use it. I know I want to use primer and foundation, and I know these two products I can mix and work with it. So I will take this little bit on my hand and then I will take the foundation, mixed it and I will apply on my face, because like अलग अलग से दोनों चीजें लगाने में ना time ज़्यादा लगता. So I will quickly apply like the concoction of both the things and like blend it out using my Damn Beauty blender. My third tip is like whatever cream products you want to use, like foundation, concealer, bronzer or anything, put them all together on your face and blend them together. So that will save you a lot of time. Like just check कि अगर कोई product आप थोड़ा अपने फेस पे थोड़े टाइम के लिए छोड़ रहे हो तो it will not crease, because I know these product will not crease on me. So I will quickly apply the concealer. I'm using this stick, ये foundation है but I use it as my contour. So now I will blend everything together. तो मुझे जो सब चीज़ें अलग अलग blend करने में टाइम लगता है ना, वो सब मैं इकट्ठे कर लूँगी. तो I will save a lot of time in doing that. So I have blended everything and I will use my Fit Me powder to set my face. It's summer time guys, it's very important कि आप अपना base बहुत अच्छे से like set करो, because like we tend to sweat a lot during this time and we don't want कि हमारा makeup जो है slip वगैरह होना start. For that what I am doing, I am using this Rimmel kit. इसके अंदर blush भी है, bronzer भी है और contour bronzer और highlighter भी है. So I will use this palette only and do all the things. Using the same palette only, I will apply the blush. I actually like this blush a lot because इसके अंदर ना थोड़ा सा shine है. Like I love such blushes. Next, I will do my eyebrows. For eyebrows, trick is कि आप अपने eyebrows को थोड़ा सा बनाओ and like keep it little natural, because हम एक बहुत natural look के लिए जा रहे हैं. तो like अगर if you will overdo your brows, it will look very weird. तो just like fill in little bit and give little shape. So that's it for my eyebrows. I am keeping it very natural, very simple. मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं किया है. And another tip I would like to give you guys is like go for a very bronzy kind of eyeshadow if you are going for a very simple, subtle, elegant makeup look, and you can call it no makeup look as well. So what it will do, it will pop your eyes open. So I will go for the shade which I use for my bronzer. What I will do, I will use the same palette, इसका जो bronzer shade है और थोड़ा सा blush shade को I will mix and apply on my eyelid. I will use my finger only. Keep it to your eyelid only, otherwise it will look पूरा eye look, अगर आप हम पूरा eye के ऊपर डाल देंगे तो we will not get the desired result. सिर्फ अपने eyelid पे डालना, तो it will look like you have put lot of effort without putting any. Now you can proceed howsoever you want. अगर आप लोगों को eyeliner लगाना है, go ahead and put eyeliner, काजल, मस्कारा जो भी है. तो what I will suggest कि अगर आपको बहुत minimum रखना है तो add blush and little bit of eyeshadow and eyebrows. Like these things makes a huge difference. एक तो आपके cheeks जो है, आपका face that will look flushed and it will look very healthy and youthful. And अगर आप अपने eyelid पे सिर्फ eyeshadow डालोगे थोड़ा सा just with your finger and just like that, then it will make your eyes pop and it will give a very beautiful effect. And थोड़ा सा eyebrows करोगे तो what it will do, it will give a frame to your face. It looks more presentable. I'll apply mascara. Let's see के like I love applying eyeliner, but let's see के mascara के बाद if I want to or not. What a mascara it is, guys. If you have not tried it, please try it out. Just like ये around 230 to 40 rupees का है, and in sale you will get somewhere around 200 rupees, and 200 के अंदर इतना amazing mascara मिलना is next to impossible, which I feel like. I will show you what I did to my eyelashes. Closely show the difference. See, this is with mascara and this is without mascara. Some kajal, because you all know I cannot live without my kajal. I don't know, like मुझे लगता है कि मेरी eyes incomplete लगती हैं without kajal. Lashes, guys. These are just like mascara लगाया हुआ है मैंने, and like. Now what I will do, I will add this lipstick, थोड़ा सा pop of color I will add to my look. I will add little bit only and then will spread it on my lips using my fingers. Guys, you can play with this look howsoever you want. If you want to add eyeliner, some bold eyeliner, blue लगा लो, green लगा लो, red लगा लो, it will look so amazing and beautiful. Similarly with the lip color, if you are going for a very bold, बहुत अच्छा thick wing liner आप लगा रहे हो, then you can go with nude lipstick. मेरी eyes बहुत simple and subtle है, so I went ahead with the little bit of pop of color. Still मैंने कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा bright नहीं करा है. You can go with bright red lipstick if you are like going out. So ये makeup look इतने तरीके से you can achieve even if you are going to college, office. अभी कई लोगों का office start हो चुका है, like some people are going, or if you are going for a simple party or something and you don't want to overdo anything. So I think this look is perfect, and how easy it is, like in 5-7 minutes we will be able to achieve this look. More thing I wanted to add, this makeup look you can use in n number of ways, even if you are going for a first date, or like if you are going for college, office, simple party, or even if you are a newlywed and some guests are coming and you don't want to do anything, because मैंने बहुत simple रखा है and yet I am looking presentable. So if you are going for something like this, or even if you are taking office calls at home and आपका कोई video call है, and if you don't want to push that much, बस 5 मिनट है आपके पास, and then also you can do this makeup look, and you can amp it up or like tone it down any how you want it. You can add a bold eyeshadow color or bold eyeliner or bold lip color and like play it howsoever you want to. This is it guys. I hope you like the video and this video was helpful for you. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. I post lots of pictures, reels and fun videos over there as well, and I'm lots active on the stories as well. I come live sometimes as well. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. This means a lot to me. Thank you. Bye. Take care.